Hello everyone, it's Adam here. Don't laugh. Some people find this video through YouTube or Google years later, so for them, you're welcome. For those of you that are watching every video, well, sorry. We have these. These are master brake cylinder and clutch cylinder covers from, is it Puig? Puig? I don't know, they're in Spain. I actually emailed them and I said, hey, let me unbox these. I said, hey, this is the Liquid Embrag Liquid Differnos. I probably need to check my invoice. I emailed them and I said, hey, I want to, I'm gonna get a couple of your parts. I listed them a link to them. And I said, do you offer any promotional discounts? And they said no. They actually said specifically, this is Puig USA. They specifically said, we're not looking to do any social media sponsorships at this time. Okay, that's fine. So I replied back, guys. They said, for review purposes. And I said, no problem. I'm ordering them. I already ordered them. So you're getting one for free. They didn't respond to that, which is fine. I mean, I'm just a guy on YouTube. So I ordered them off Reservoir, paid $35 a pop for these. But it looks like because Reservoir, you know, they list things that they don't actually carry. Sometimes it's directly shipped from the manufacturer or their, USA headquarters. So this actually shipped from Florida at, I'm going to call it Puig USA headquarters, or sub, whatever. So I guess they might, either this for everyone or just for me. They sent this lanyard, which is pretty cool. And they sent an XL shirt, which oddly enough, I didn't tell them what shirt size I was. They're just assuming that I'm an XL, which, good job, guys. You got it right. So I don't know if you do that on all your orders. If you guys order from these guys, let me know if you get one as well, because I have no clue if that's what everyone gets or not. Oh, this is so beautiful. So here it is. It's a billet aluminum. Isn't that beautiful? And these are the covers that go on top of your clutch and brake cylinders. Let's get a little bit of grease on there. Looks like it is billet aluminum given the engraving there. I would assume this is for the clutch side. So to install these, I checked this in advance for once. You're going to use a T20. There you are. We're a 3-inch drive, 3/8 inch drive. And we're going to start right over there. Okay, so this is our clutch lever over here. I need to actually remove this first. It's its own deal. Alright, so we have our T20. I'm in the Wookiee costume still, just because it's cold down here, guys. Oops. It's always the wrong way. Now, we don't want any of this fluid to spill out. We're at a slight angle right now. I hope this doesn't impact us in the end. It includes, these are actually pre-filled, so I gotta get my poker. Maybe there are some bikes that don't have those, some BMW models. All right, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. It spilled. All right, hold on. Now, before you install this, you're going to grab the rubber piece here that was on the clutch, the OEM clutch pad, and reinstall it here on the Puig. All right. Now, one thing I'm just realizing, though, you've got a couple of options here. You've got just the black, or it's actually a two-piece design. So we have this red piece here that you can leave off if you want to. It seems like you can leave it off, but I like a little bit of red. That's why I bought it. Beautiful. Okay, get this reinstalled, and then once these screws are tightened down, then I will clean up the area that is slightly messy now, but this kind of stuff is to save weight, but this being aluminum versus plastic, it's not saving any weight. But damn, does it look beautiful. Now, once it's covered in dirt, it won't look so beautiful. All right, now we're on the brake side. This time I'm doing a different angle because just to give you guys something different to look at. And I've already preemptively put down my towels. So still a T20 on this side. Now, same as before, we have these plastic bits here that are blocking it. I'm just gonna pop these out. All right, so you see here on this side how this comes right off. So you could just have the black on there if you want to, but I get why they designed that with a little bit of red built in. Moment of truth. Well, that's way better. That's because this piece stays in here, which is actually the way it's supposed to be. So this piece stays nicely inside this here, which is great, holds the brake fluid in. And now we can move this over without any problems. Yeah, there you go. Got a way better experience than on the other side. But those of you that done your own brake fluid, you have probably seen all this stuff happen before. Do not over torque these. Be very careful. As soon as you get a little bit of resistance, just stop what you're doing and move to the next one. Beautiful. Look at that. Aren't these gorgeous? And here is the final product. Really matches well with the racing red color. So from the C position, that's what you're going to see. Nice little splash of red. And then from the front, the red extends down to the sides, which is cool. And there, like that. Yeah, this is pretty nice. All right, guys, $70 well spent. That's about 1.5 horsepower, easily. Ride safe.